Friends, kindly subscribe our channel and also press this bell icon so you never miss new upcoming videos. Autodesk come up with very great enhancement by adding feature called XREF Compare. This XREF Compare will help you to understand what changes made in the file of your drawing references. To understand this, I have opened one file called Kitchen of Fast Food. Now, if you check the external reference, I used to add the shortkey XREF. Now here you will see this is our main file and these are the reference file. So these two reference file attached with the main file. Now parallelly I open the reference file called elevation file as well as the section file. Let's make some changes on the reference file. I used to make changes on my elevation file. So here what I do, I'll remove this icon. Similarly this logo. I used to remove this computer. And I apply some hatch over this rectangular block. So I use hatch command. Once I finish with the changes made with the reference drawing, I'll save the drawing. Now I'll open the main drawing. Once you open this file, you will find the notifications at the right bottom corner of your machine. It's showing reload kitchen of fast food elevations by Lenovo. So I'll just click on this link. It will open the external reference compare panel. Now here you will see the gear like icon. So click on it. It is similar functionality like we use in the DWG compare, but have some additional functionality to managing external reference. Under differences, you will find not in current reference showing in a red color. If you toggle on or off, you will find the changes in the drawing. I'll make it pin so that the display can't be disappear again. Now if you make it on, you will see the red symbols where we make the changes. Then second is the only in the current reference. So if we make it on or off this, you won't find any changes here. If you click here, you will find the no differences. So as you will find, apart from this changes, we haven't made the changes with the other drawing. So this is showing by not compared. So only this elevations file has been compared, rest of the file is not get compared. So it will be the disappear from this drawing. This showing the revision cloud. If you zoom little bit, you will find the revision cloud of the edited entity. You can change it the rectangular or polygonal shape. You can make the changes of the size of cloud. Under filter, you will find the hatch and text option. If you toggle on the display of hatch, you will find the hatch we made in our reference drawing. If you want to disappear this, just make it off. So in short, whatever be the changes you make in your reference drawing, it will be highlighted with the different color coding, as well as the clouds and the filter option. Similarly, you can have this option like previous as well as the next. So it will make the zoom of the edited portion of your reference drawing. If I click on this, I make the changes in my reference drawing. I had deleted previously this drawing, then I deleted this portion, then later on this portion and this portion. So it will be zoom the edited portion by referring this. Once you finish with this, you can exit this external reference panel. So in this way, you can have the comparison of the edited portion of your reference file with your current drawing file. In the past, it has been a manual time consuming process to keep track the changes of the project. But now this feature helps to save your valuable time and helps you to work faster.